Hi, I'm Lee with Dosatron and Dilution Solutions. Today I'm going to show you a new product that is an answer to where many people are injecting could be hazardous chemicals or products that they want to keep very secure. This is our ultrasonic microdoser cabinet. As you can see, it comes with a nice cabinet enclosure with a clear window so you can see the Editron pump working inside. Let's take a look and see what's on the inside of this. This cabinet comes to you completely assembled to pipe water in and water out, put your product underneath, and you're ready to inject. Water coming in comes in and goes through our ultrasonic flow meter. From our ultrasonic flow meter, it comes up, around, by our injection point, and then back out of the cabinet. The ultrasonic flow meter controls an Editron E1 pump to make sure that we dose volumetrically in the correct fashion. If you have any questions about our ultrasonic microdoser cabinet, please give us a call or visit our website. Thank you for watching.